Y'all riding together?
Yeah. Unfortunately.
Slide in the back.
Oh. Thank you. Thank you.
Check.
All right, big mama.
Yep.
That's all right. Oh.
Grab that.
That's for all of us.
Here we go again. She's a big girl. What, my hat? No. But what I did, I put it on super tight. See, look at the golf course. That one, we're gonna play that one. That one's cool. It's hot. Why don't you go ahead and lay back, baby? You sweating?
Yeah, I can feel
Let me
the
take a
heat
look.
on your legs.
I can feel the hair on your legs too.
The heat on your legs.
Oh, the heat. There's a lot of leg. Oh, my knife. Don't fall out, baby. You know what? That's an $80 knife. I'm gonna put you in here. There we go. Oh, what's that smell? Smells like up dog.
You gotta push them down.
No, you don't. He says automatic always, sugar. And you get to eat after this. You gonna eat you a big girl meal?
Yeah, I am.
Oh, well, I'm gonna let you get off the dollar menu since you've been so good.
They're putting the dollar menu anymore anyway.
I know.
Taco Bell.
Inflation.
Taco for 97 cents.
Yeah.
You can't get a taco for 97 cents anymore.
Yeah. Horse meat went up.
Everything is.
Except for me. I've been down. Are you scared?
Yeah, we've heard this one how many times? Please stop.
I'll just gently touch you.
Is that my trash?
Shot. Is that a goat? It's been on sale somewhere. So after this we're going to eat, and then I don't know what after that. Kisses too. Absolutely no smoking on the ride.
Really come through yours.
By order of the fire marshal. Fire Marshal Bill. You ever seen that? It's your favorite actor, Jim Carrey.
I want that job. He just chills with me.
It'd probably get boring. That's gonna be you in a minute. Hold me. At least it'll blow some of the stink off of you. Feel weird having my hat on backwards. Do you like it? Yeah, you do. I know you do. It's okay. It's hard to handle, but you'll get used to it. You know, the good thing is if that rope wire, fails, we'll get to ride backwards. Now, I think those little things right there.
You know it?
Yes,
Where you go
yeah.
forward.
Be a turd chaser.
Your hat definitely would flip off going backwards. Look how high we
Huh?
Look how high we are.
I know. Woo! Look at him. Don't get on them brakes, little girl. Put your cigarette out. Thank you.
Have fun.
Y'all have a bathroom? Nah. Oh, Hannah. Oh, is your life insurance paid up? Say, this one's pretty good. Can you move your nappy hair? Here. Oh, I remember that. Hold on. Oh, Hillary. Oh, yeah. Hold your big ass. Yeah, you shut your mouth. Ow! Here, 80 foot. Oh, I'm not. It throws you off. Lord have mercy. And you Ow! Ow! Dang, it's fast. Did you gain weight or lose weight? And I gained it. I'm not. It's your feet dragging. Here, 80 feet. It's been 80 feet for a long time. Okay. You should have put your hair in a... Oh my God. Oh God, what?
Why are you stopping?
I'm not. It's about to go over. Oh look, there's where I'm going. Oh, oh God. Imagine me.
The other way. I pulled a rib.
Don't freak out, but I think there's goats on the roof. Nah. All right.
I thought we were going the other way.
And now you lay on me. Yeah, that didn't work for as far as, you know, blowing the stink off of you. Whew. How you doing?
Alright, here you go.
All right.
Real quick.
All right. Go, man.
On this side.
All right. Thank you, sir. Have a good one. Whew. All right, now I want to see some free goats. Yeah, I had to hold on to the arm bar on the right side. And you enjoy this ride like this? And oh, flying eye. Okay, yeah, let's go. See ya. See you, buddy. See you, buddy. Can I pet you? Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. That putt-putt looks awesome. Yeah, if we leave Anakeesta at a decent time. Weston, I promise you we're going to come back and do it. It's just too hot. Mama's melting. Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Hannah, you keep going. I'm just kidding, honey. They got to be going way faster than that. Look at that. Oh. Have you ever had a goat on your back?
Hi.
Oh, okay.